puppy in the house, so we got a folding gate. And the problem with the folding gate is when we put it up, the dog will push on it, and that will do that. So my first attempt to solve that was to put Velcro on it and stick it like this. And that still didn't work very good. So my second attempt was to just take a board and stick it behind it that's wedged between the walls. But then I had to put a pin in it because without the pin it would slide when she rubbed against it. So now we think we've solved the problem of the folding gate that moves when the pet pushes on it. And we can open it like this to get in and out and put it back.